I am on my way. I am on my way. I am feeling better. I am feeling better. I am almost ready. I need more practice. I will take notes. I will take notes. I am improving every day. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am curious now. I like this idea. Can I have a glass of water? Please speak a little slower. I am learning new words. I am trying my best. I am waiting for you. I am thinking about it. I feel very happy today. I am ready to go. I am working on it. I am doing my homework. I am getting better now. I am listening carefully. I am practicing English daily. I am staying at home. I am planning my day. I am fixing the problem. I am cooking dinner now. I am cleaning my room. I am finishing my work. I am checking my phone. I am sending a message. I am reading a book. I am reading a book. I am writing a letter. I am opening the door. I am closing the window. I am washing my hands. I am brushing my teeth. I am wearing my jacket. I am tying my hair. I am meeting my friend. I am calling my mother. I am helping my sister. I am watering the plants. I am watering the plants. I am walking in the park.